Hello friends, today we shall talk a little bit about bleeding in early pregnancy. Now bleeding in early pregnancy is very common and tends to cause a lot of anxiety and concern in the mind of the pregnant lady. Now bleeding in pregnancy, in early pregnancy in the first 3 months doesn't always mean that something is wrong and sometimes can happen without any apparent reason. However, bleeding in the first 3 months can also be a warning sign for a pregnancy complication such as a miscarriage or an ectopic pregnancy. So if you're experiencing bleeding or spotting in early pregnancy, you will naturally get in touch with your gynecologist, who will most likely advise an ultrasound for you. If the ultrasound shows that the pregnancy is progressing normally, that your fetus or your embryo is growing normally, and especially if the heartbeat of the embryo is seen clearly, then this situation is called a threatened miscarriage. Normally, in this situation, the pregnancy continues uneventfully and without any further complications. Unfortunately, sometimes when a pregnant lady is experiencing bleeding in early pregnancy, the ultrasound will reveal that the pregnant lady has had or is having a miscarriage, which means that the pregnancy is not growing optimally or the baby's heartbeat is not seen as expected. Sadly, miscarriages in early pregnancy are very common and they happen without any apparent reason. In fact, it has been seen that 1 in every 5 pregnant ladies will have a miscarriage in early pregnancy following a positive pregnancy test. But in most such cases, the miscarriage is a one-off event and the chances that the same lady will have a healthy pregnancy and a healthy baby in future are very, very high. Bleeding in early pregnancy, especially if accompanied by pain in the lower tummy, can also be the warning sign of an ectopic pregnancy. An ectopic pregnancy is a condition where the pregnancy is lodged inside and is growing inside the fallopian tube instead of the uterus. An ultrasound can confirm this situation, and this is a potentially life-threatening situation and needs to be managed proactively. Thank you.